At Williams Air Conditioning and Heating, Goodyear, Arizona, we specialize in providing high-quality HVAC services to the community. Our team is dedicated to keeping your home comfortable throughout the year with our expert heating and cooling services. Whether you need a new air conditioning system installed or a repair for your heater, we have you covered. Our experienced technicians are trained to handle all types of HVAC systems, including mini splits and refrigeration units. As your trusted HVAC company, we are committed to delivering reliable and efficient solutions for all your HVAC needs. Contact us today. Who provides HVAC services in Goodyear, Arizona? If you need HVAC services in Goodyear, Arizona, Williams Air Conditioning and Heating is the company to call. Our team is highly skilled in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems and can provide top-notch repair and installation services. We are committed to delivering high-quality service to keep your home or business comfortable throughout the year. Who offers heating system installations in Goodyear, Arizona? If you're looking for heating system installations in Goodyear, Arizona, consider Williams Air Conditioning and Heating. Our team specializes in HVAC systems and can take care of all your heating and cooling needs. Whether you require a new heater or air conditioning system, we have you covered. What is the service area of Williams Air Conditioning and Heating? Williams Air Conditioning and Heating offers HVAC services throughout Goodyear, Arizona, Phoenix, Tempe, Scottsdale, Chandler, Peoria, New River, Cave Creek, Mesa, Glendale, Litchfield Park, Fountain Hills, Gilbert, Buckeye, and Whitman, Arizona. Where is Williams Air Conditioning and Heating located in Goodyear, Arizona? We are located at 15359 West Morning Glory Street, Goodyear, Arizona, 85338. Our phone number is 623-439-8309. Visit our website at www.williamsairandheating.com.